In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently change the template in your Freshbooks account. It's often beneficial to customize your invoice templates to better fit your brand or business needs, and Freshbooks makes it pretty straightforward to do this. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the whole process. First, you'll need to create a new invoice. Log into your Freshbooks account and navigate to the section specifically for creating invoices. This is usually accessible from the main dashboard, and it's your starting place for building an invoice template that matches your style. Once you're in the invoice creation screen, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Template. This is where you can choose from the variety of templates that Freshbooks offers. Take a look through these options and select the one that best suits your business aesthetic. Remember, the template is the foundation of your invoice, and it helps ensure consistency in look and feel across all the invoices you send out. After selecting a template, the next step is customization. This is an important step because it allows you to tailor the layout and appearance to better represent your brand. Look for the Customize button. It should be prominently displayed once you've chosen your template. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a customization interface where you can tweak various elements. You might want to adjust the color scheme, text fonts, or the positioning of certain fields. This is your chance to make the invoice truly your own, so spend some time here to explore all the options available to you. Once you're happy with the look and feel of your customized template, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which should be easy to find in this part of the interface. Clicking Save applies all the changes you've made, ensuring that this new template will be your default option for any invoices you create in the future. It's a small step, but a crucial one because it finalizes the personalization process. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the template in your Freshbooks account. This process not only helps maintain a professional appearance, but also streamlines your invoice creation process going forward, as you won't need to customize from scratch each time. By following these simple steps, you've ensured that all your future communications via invoices are consistent and reflective of your unique brand identity. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Freshbooks and other useful tools.